Hello guys, this is Keyapp, platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion, and it is a new episode of Keyapp Academy. In the previous videos, we have already discussed what keyword promotion is and how Google Play and App Store algorithms are working in indexation process. And today we would like to discuss how to analyze the results you get after the keyword promotion. So it is mostly about positions and delivered installs. But before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel to get all the news about App Store optimization, as well as to receive updates from our service. And if you like this episode, please leave your comments and likes. We really appreciate this, and this makes us to record even more videos for you. So, as the main aim of keyword promotion is increasing in app positions for keywords, the first question you may have after the campaign is ended is how to analyze the positions you received. First of all, in your account at our platform, in the section orders, you can see all the campaigns, and basically for all the keywords which were promoted during the campaign, you can check the current positions. So you can update ranks and receive the current position the application has. In black, you can see the rank, and in green, you can see for how many positions the application increased for the particular keyword within the campaign time. After this, one more important tool which can be used for positions analysis, of course, the graphic of position changes within the time. So at Keyapp, you can find it in my keyword section, basically for any keyword which was promoted or which was just added to the platform with add my keywords button. So on this graphic, you may see the campaign progress, like how many installs were delivered daily, and of course the graphic of the increase. You can check the start position, you can check an increase within the campaign, and of course after the campaign. So basically this results may be analyzed during 30 days, 3 months, half a year, and year. So if the keyword was added to the platform 1 year ago for the particular application, you will be able to track the process during 1 year. And basically this can be tracked for all the keywords which were promoted or added. The next question you may have is how to be sure that the position displayed at Keyapp is the correct one. Actually, we have our own algorithm which check the position and show it at a platform. But just to be sure, for example, here is app and the region. The region is Canada, and the keyword for which the application was promoted is how to draw. We may see that currently the application, according to Keyapp, is located at the 4th position for this keyword in the chosen region. But how to make sure that it is true and how to recheck it? With this aim, you can use different App Store optimization services, analytical services for mobile apps. In the case of this episode, I have chosen data.ai, and basically you see that it is possible in keyword search tool, put the keyword, check the store, Google Play or App Store, and choose the region. So after analyzing, we remember that at Keyapp, the position for this keyword was the 4th, and on data.ai, we see the same. It is the 4th. So basically the positions are similar, but please pay attention that at this stage after Google update, some services show only search results for particular keyword. So at Keyapp, you can check the whole list, like the position attract from the first one to 250th one. But anyway, please pay attention to this when you analyze the positions with some other site tools except Keyapp. The next details you can check at keyapp is the current amount of installs delivered both for active orders and for completed orders. They are mentioned here in my orders section. It is the amount of delivered and it is the amount of total installs. All this information is taken from our backend with which help we perform installs and deliver them to your app. So basically, you can see the actual details from our system with installs. Also, there is one more section which is called Statistics, where you can check how many installs, rates, and reviews were delivered daily according to the dates where the campaign was performing. So, the first table you see is the amount of installs the application received during the particular date. So here you can see the installs by keyword, by link if there were some, and the amount of delivered rates and reviews. And the next table you may see is installs by keyword. So you can check how many installs were delivered for particular keyword during the promotion campaigns you have with the platform. And actually, one more question which you may have about being sure that all the installs were delivered by us to your application is checking the installs in Google Play Developer Console or in App Store Connect. All the installs which we deliver should be reflected in official Google or Apple Analytics. So for Google Play, for example, you could see that we promoted the application in Canada and the promotion started at the 21st of September. So here in statistics section in Google Play Console, we can check if the installs were actually delivered. So we just filtered by region, by users, and here is the graph. You may see that before the promotion started, the app received approximately 20-30 installs from Canada daily. But when the promotion campaign started at our platform, in average, we used 500 installs daily. The graph started to increase, like all the installs you ordered and we ordered for the application are reflected in Google Play Developer Console. Anyway, if you see that some installs are not reflected, you can usually contact our support team with some screenshots to check. It is important for us to check all such issues at once. So that was some details about analysis of current position after the promotion, and of course about installs analysis where you can check them and where you can make sure that they are actually delivered. So in a case, if you need any help with keyword promotion, with strategies, or with keyword choosing, please contact our support team or your personal manager and we will be happy to assist. Get top positions in the search with keyapp.